In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Audi S4. This is going to be located in the engine bay on the passenger side. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove these two screws, use a T25 socket. Now just grab the air tube right here. You can separate this here. This part's going to come out. Then this part, you're going to lift up. There's some clips holding this in. Just try to pull that up. And there's a grommet right here holding that sensor on that little bracket there. Just pop that up. Now take this tube. You want to just squeeze these retainers to the side. That comes right off. There's a retainer right here. Just lift that up. We're just going to leave that loose. Now grab the connector underneath. There's a little tab. Push down on the tab, release the connector. Now loosen up this clamp, use a 7mm socket. Grab this snorkel. I'm going to separate that from the air filter box, just like that. Now these two screws right here, use a Phillips head screwdriver. Loosen these up. Just grab this part of the air box. Pull it out, and you want to lift up and get this hose over. Oh, there's another hose right here. Pop that out of that bracket right there. Pull that out. Grab the air filter, and it comes right out. Now take the air filter, the new one. And you want to slide it in place. The part that has the cut open part is going to be at the top, just like that. Take the airbox cover. Slide it in place. Get the hose over once you're close. Go. This hose is going to go into the retainer. Pull that hose over. The screws lined up. All right, it's in the right position. There we go. Looks good. And snug the screws down. Tighten down the clamp. Snug that down. The connector, get this lined up. Lock it in place. This retainer, line this up. And this hose on the side, push that in place. This piece of the air duct is going to get lined up. And then take that bracket. It's going to go through the purge valve grommet. That's lined up. And the front part, get this lined up underneath and connect the two. There we go. It's lined up. And take the two screws. These started and snug them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.